Fc15, Chapter 15, Raw Food Living. Fitness and Beauty from the Inside Out. Treasures. In order to have some long-term result regarding fitness, we must first have the right fuel to do it. Otherwise, we slowly deplete what we want to build, a healthy and fit body. It is also that fuel that will build a strong body for a lifetime, as the body is made to move until the moment that its time is up. Raw food is the fastest energy source that gives us the right fuel to exercise, and within are all the building stones which the body needs to enjoy health and to be fit. Raw foods compared to heated foods who only expand and make tissue weak, flabby, and provides room for waste storage, raw food has both the elements still within itself. It has the force of expansion and contraction. Like a heart which contracts and expands, so does raw foods. Like the entire idea of exercising, which is about contracting and expanding muscles and tissue, raw foods exercises the body from within. What we usually gain through external fitness, through contraction and expansion, we diminish by eating heating foods, and with heated we mean cooked, boiled, microwave, deep frying, stir frying and steaming. What about the protein, one would ask? First of all, the concept of protein is not completely understood by most of us. The protein we need for constant rebuilding and building our body is within raw foods. Just go on the net and find out about bodybuilders that are in raw food living. Second, we forget that our body is also a great recycling system and uses dead cells as building blocks for the new body. But when the dead cells are made of poor quality material, we build and rebuild the body with weak materials, resulting in endless signs of premature old age symptoms. Raw food gives the body the right material for building strong and healthy cells, and when they die, they are used for rebuilding. We have again the best stuff available. There are endless ways of doing fitness, which should replace the work on the land we do not do anymore. We sit too much, and we are not walking and moving enough, and for this reason we need to do some fitness. When we were working on the lands, we also had the fresh air and the colors of nature around us, all assisting in building good health and being fit. So make sure, when working out, that there are colors, a great atmosphere, and possibly fresh air. Beauty reflects on many levels, which is also not about having the dream picture body of the magazines. It is about shaping the muscles so they can function in an optimum way. It is about beautiful colors around us and which we consume through raw foods. It is about inner and outer beauty, and we all have a different form and are not meant to be clones and stereotypes. Each one of us can be looking healthy, vibrant and fit in our unique way. It is about activating and shaping the muscles, keeping the systems moving, and this done with a proper foundation of the best raw and quality foods and drinks. Do not confuse being fit with professional athletes, who would need this foundation, but going most of the time extreme, as sports is based on competition, comparing, and making concessions regarding one's health. There is a price to be paid for that way of living. Fitness activities can include, however, sport activities, but done without the competitive stress factors. Raw food living and doing fitness with the right intentions and the right way is the fountain of youth and longevity, for we are saving for the future in the bank of our cells. We are trying to secure the future in many ways, and mostly by doing so getting in debt with our health and maybe not able to enjoy our fortune. We can all be rich by starting our saving accounts and investing in the health and fitness of our cell bank.